What's up, everyone? How everyone is feeling today? Welcome back to some more working at the office. So basically today will be again another chill live stream. Basically we are going to work, or at least I will be working at Laravel stuff. You guys are free to stick along and just see what I do, but we'll be in the relaxed way because I kind of need to be in deep focus mode. Adrian, nice to see you. David, nice to see you too. Ben, what's up? Nice to see you. Jarko, what's up, everyone? By the way, I have some news for you all. After some deeply thoughts, I basically made all the live streams available again. Some of you wanted to literally check the live streams afterwards, and you know, I've made it public them again. Basically, the reasoning is because I thought that keeping live streams alive after the live stream itself would affect the algorithm in YouTube. And I think it does, but you guys want to see these live streams afterwards, so I guess I don't have a choice, okay? Anyway, that being said, let's get started and do some actual work today, okay? And again, these live streams are a little bit different than usual, meaning that we don't actually get to chat a bunch, meaning that I will be on deep focus mode, chill tunes, just enjoy if you like this kind of things, okay? By the way, I have exciting news for you all. Avenue will come to the channel next Monday, okay? So next Monday, Avenue, the creator of Vue.js, the creator of Vite, will be here on the channel. So if you want to see him, just be sure to subscribe my channel so you can see it, all right? Hey, what's up, everyone? How everyone is feeling? It says just good vibes today. That's awesome. Just good vibes. I love it. I love it. All right, so what I do have to do. Do I still have this test suite passing? Because that's an important thing to, first of all, make sure. And of course, we don't. What are you guys working on today, by the way? I forgot to ask. Apologize, chat, for not being super respectful. What are you guys working on today? Anything good? Anything crazy? Oh yeah, this is no longer Essence. Oh, nice, Adrian. By the way, Adrian, I give you access to the past PHP browser plugin. So if you want to work or anything that you feel it's blocking, you can just go there, okay? Oof. Oh, you made iframe stuff? Does the API looks exactly like Laravel does, or no, really? Oh, Rivath, working on a portfolio? That's awesome, man. It's always good to have a nice portfolio. It's always a good idea, man. So I'm happy about you. That's a great call, man. Have a nice portfolio with all your projects. That's always a good idea, chat. Always a good idea. Okay, will this work? Hopefully it will. This is my portfolio, by the way. This is, well, portfolio. Well, my website, at least. Do you guys like it? Do you think it's cool? Watch this, watch this. You ready? Boom! And... Fuck, I just crashed. I just crashed this. Oh, no, if I click this... Yeah, exactly. This is minimized. Here we go. Oh, I literally forgot about this detail. Jesus Christ. It's been so long. Oh, my God. Okay, so this will be 12 here. What else? I do need to replace Laravel Essence. By the way, chat, on this office work time that I spend streaming, you guys need to realize that some of the stuff you see here will look weird. In the sense, it's stuff that is either not yet out or will never be out or is just used internally. You know, so don't take anything serious or publicly serious here on streams, okay? Emotionally, it's impossible to finish a portfolio. Why is that, Mary? Nice to see you here on stream, by the way. Welcome. Just went to the gym, chat. Just went to the gym today. Oh, yeah. And now I'm on bulk again, meaning that I'm trying to get big again after like Laracon US, which I was trying to, you know, get small basically. Now I'm trying to get big again. Just having a lot of food feels good. Feels very good, I can tell you that. Feels good, 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 good. Oh, okay. Something I will do here, give me a moment, chat, is literally use Sublime Text for a nice find and replace. A nice find and replace. Illuminate JSON schema. 154 files. Is this even possible? I guess. Almost ready, chat. 1 second. Okay, done. Do you gym, Adrian? Or you don't do anything? What do you do, Adrian? Sports-wise, I mean. Hey, Jeffrey, nice to see you. What's up? Oh, from Bangladesh. Welcome to the live stream. Nice to see you. All right, so I think I did all find and replaces, meaning that I should be able to run Pint on this. in parallel to be a little bit faster, and now I should be able to run the test suite again. Almost. Hmm. How the hell was this even working? Oh, because it's right here. Yips. Gotcha. Yeah, I have simply linked the package. You still remember that? That's awesome, Adrian. Jesus Christ, you know everything. My office, it's literally my room at the moment, so next to me it's my bed, you know. I don't have a huge house. I live in a very small apartment. By choice, basically. I love small houses. By the way, chat, how the music is today. Hopefully it's good. If you don't know me, my name is Nuno Maduro, PHP and Laravel developer. I love what I do, streaming every now and then about PHP and Laravel development. Today we'll be a little bit more in focus mode because I've been doing Laravel stuff today, you know, work stuff. Why this is literally failing? Illuminate JSON schema not found. Okay, let's do a composer dump. How about now? Still not found. Oh, you like the music? Me too, man. I like relaxing music while I'm coding. Hey King, nice to see you, man. How you doing? Welcome to the live stream. By the way, chat, if you are not a subscriber yet, just go all the way down and do that. Okay, that's a very important thing. Okay, I think I will do this. So I have this composer update running, and then I will see. Here we go. Okay, so that's done. Then I can revert this again to the way it was. And let's see now. And here we go. Full test with passing. That's the first thing I wanted to do. Let's actually just commit that already. Git dash p, yes. M. This will be renames package. That's done. That's the first thing I wanted to do. How about the second one? Is changing a little bit the API of defining a schema. Before PHP Storm, I was using Sublime Text. Which editor do you guys use at the moment? Do you guys use PHP Storm, VS Code, Sublime Text? I think for PHP development, PHP Storm is just the GOAT. Is just the GOAT. Okay, so this is what we want to change. So when calling the schema, we are giving what we are giving. Oh, the JSON schema object. Yes. And then we just do this. PHP Storm, what else? What is even Z? I have literally no idea what is Z. I have never used Z. Yeah, PHP Storm for the win indeed. Sublime Text, I still use Sublime Text, honestly, for a few things, you know. I still use Sublime Text every now and then. I like Sublime Text. So this is just the schema. And this will return an array. And this array will be an array of properties, which will be empty by default. Yep. Okay, let's do that. Ho ho ho, much better. That was an Ashley idea, man. That's a good one. 1,000 times better, Jesus Christ. Oh? Oh, schema. You guys should be the ones working for a lot of L. I'll only do shit. Okay, now it's good. That's returning an array, correct. Oof, the music is on spot today. So good. Project. So this goes like this. This goes like this. Bam. Boom. And this goes like this. By the way, chat, in case you don't know, I have a new video on my YouTube channel, what I've tried Next.js. Did you guys saw it yet? What do you guys thought about the video? I'm actually, you know, on Discord, I have asked people what do they think about my YouTube channel currently. And you know, a lot of you say that the YouTube channel is good and you know, I'm having fun watching your videos and everything like that, but what I really want is like where I could be better with my YouTube channel. You know, kind of quick wins I could put in place to be even better than I am at the moment. A lot of people were saying that they would like to watch the VODs. So post-stream, they want to actually see the entire stream. That was kind of hurting a little bit my YouTube channel in terms of view growership, but I made them public so you guys can watch it now. But, you know, if you guys have any honest feedback about my YouTube channel, I would love to know that feedback, okay? Things that could be better, things that you see as a quick wins to my channel. You know, what do you like, what you don't like, and let me know. Write on the chat what do you think about my YouTube channel currently. Because I want, you know, I want the PHP to reach the masses, and we won't reach the masses by writing tweets and blog posts, you know. That's from the 90s, dude. Nobody does that, you okay? To convince the Gen Z people, the TikTok folks, we need to be entertaining. We need to, you know, create videos. We need to be updated, basically. So to do that, I need your help. I need you guys to tell me what is good, what could be better, and how we reach the kids, you know? Because what we really want is convince the kids that PHP is a cool language. Because otherwise, they will go to JavaScript. That's it. Hey, CV Timal, what's up? Nice to see you, man. Yeah, I will try Next.js. So Next.js is the Vue Next, right? I think it's kind of the Vue alternative of Next.js. If it is, let me know because I want to try that one. Okay, so this is done. And one left. Well, actually, we don't need this one. We just need to do this. 5 failing. Interesting. How did you come to put videos? I don't know, man. I always like to... Streaming is something I really enjoy to do. Okay? I love streaming. It's actually super fun. It's like video gaming. Feels like video gaming to me. So, you know, that's how I come up doing streaming, basically. But then, you know, on the topic of streaming, actually, I also like to edit my streams to make them very good YouTube videos. So, initially became about just having fun, but now it's kind of becoming a little bit more serious. So let's see. why this is failing. By the way, chat, let me know how the music is, okay? If the music volume is good. Object string. What is this? This is happening on the list tools message. Oh? Oh? Object type string. Oh, I think I know what's happening. So when I do this, oh, I think I know what to do here. Okay, so what I really want to do is this. Okay, and that's it. Boop, 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 boop. Ah, that was close. That was a close one. So here we just need the input schema. Oh, so it might be just This would actually just work, I think. Nope. Same problem. Oh, I think I just forgot to call the to array, and that was it. And this will have a schema that will go inside that schema. All right, I should do it. Boom! Hey, Rivath. Appreciate, man. Thank you, thank you. Someone is saying, why don't you code in VS Code or Cursor? Because just feel PHP Storm is a little bit better. That's it. Hey, Lean, what's up, man? This project is something internal at the moment. Is something we are developing on the AI team, but nothing public yet. So for now, it's just code, but eventually it will be something. This JSON schema class it won't be public. It's something that we are going to use internally on the MCP package, but also on the Boost package. So it's not something meant to be used outside at the moment. Okay, and I think I finished here. Yep. Okay, so if I search for Essence, I found 0 references to it. Well, I found one, but and that's fine. We can remove this, and if I search for public function schema, I just get that. Perfect. All right. Let's run Pint. Let's run PHP stan. Boom, boom. Ooh, one problem. No error to ignore on the line 61. Oh yeah. Still something here though. Oh, nice. And past is passing 2, hopefully. Pew would be a nice package. I just typed incorrectly Pew instead of package. Pew would be a nice package name. Okay? So if you guys want to build something, Pew would be a nice name. Okay, so this would be rewrite the usage of JSON schema. Okay, was the JSON schema already merged? Yes. Is it on packages already? That's the question. Illuminate JSON schema. Nope. Paw Patrol. I actually have a package with the name Patrol. Did you guys know that? I don't use it that much though, but I think it's Patrol. Yeah, here we go. Keeps your dependencies in check. And actually the logo is badass, I think. Not bad. Oh my god, 100k downloads. How this is even possible? Jesus Christ. But I've built this like I don't know when. But how people are even using this? It's insane. By the way, chat, if you just arrived, my name is Nuno Maduro, PHP and Laravel developer. If you enjoy the type of content I produce, please go all the way down and like this video. If you guys put 200 likes on this YouTube video, I may do more of those. Let's see if you guys actually like this kind of vibe. Oh yeah, Mr. Taylor Otwell just released this for me. Nice, 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 nice. So this is here, meaning that I should be able to go here and actually pull it. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. Now we're talking. Is the test with passing? Fuck yeah. This is passing too. Lovely. So what am I missing now? So that's done, that's done, that's done. Can I do this? I don't have anything, meaning that I should be able to go to... By the way, chat, we have a new sponsor. Red Betty International, a digital agency doing great work on Laravel and Vue. Check them out if you haven't already. Of course, Laracasts, the GOAT of teaching PHP development. Check them out too. Both great partners of my YouTube channel. I love them. So let me go to the MCP pull request. And I should be able to rerun this. And just pray that this will be working. Yes. Let's just rerun this real quick. Okay, let's rerun all jobs. Yeah, we need to release a lot of essentials package. I know that people are asking for that, and I should do it. Oh my god. Wish someone could help me out with that. If you guys want to do open source, man, I will just give you the permissions to just be owner of that package, honestly. Because I have so much stuff on my mind at the moment that I cannot... I don't have 2 minutes of my day at the moment. It's just crazy. Test with is passing. Nice! Nice! There we go. Now we're talking. Taylor is telling me that I should be able to do this, which I don't even know if it's worth, but let me do it. It's 228. Let me see. Let me give a refresh on this one. Yes, it's 228. He is correct. Let me put that. Let me put here. Version. Thank you, thank you. It's kind of crazy, man. I've been working with Taylor for 5 years already. Jesus. 5 years is a lot of time. Like, if you think a little bit, I've been working with these people for 5 years. More than 5 years now. Like, you know, James, Joe, all these people for 5 years. I pretty much have known them forever. It's insane. It's insane. Any thought on creating plugin like Drift for Laravel Dusk? Dude, the API is so similar that you can probably just find and replace and just change it real quick. It's so easy. Classic Connect logo. Oh, indeed, man. Hey Tariq, what I'm working on? It's just regular, you know, Laravel internal stuff. Nothing crazy, really. Bam, 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 bam. Nice. Test with good. Now we're talking. Okay, so this needs to go to MCP 2.0. I think. What are you guys working on, chat? You guys working on something cool? Hey, Code with Bert, how you doing, man? Yeah, Adrian, people may use that shift converter, indeed. Shift is an awesome package. Awesome product, I mean. Stephen O'Bird is getting into testing practices. That's awesome, man. What can I recommend you on that? Yeah, a lot of it's probably a good place to get started on testing, indeed. Custom tools not documented yet because it's not ready yet. We are working on it. That's why. A blog site for a client? That's cool though, right? What the heck is 7 TV7 emojis, dude? I think, oh, it's DFL, of course. DFL is like literally. So explain me like in the sentence, what is 7 TV emotes like? I still don't get it, like honestly. You told me that it's our custom emojis and blah blah blah. I still don't get what it is. So explain me like if I was a 2-year-old kid. Yeah, I'm literally having a conversation with the team at the moment, that's why. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Channels are pretty limited in terms of emojis. 7 TV enables way more emotes across channels in global Twitch. It's an add-on that sits on top of Twitch chat, basically. Okay. Hey, the Honor. Oh, thank you. I think I'm more productive when I'm streaming too. So it's not a you thing only. For me, the same thing, honestly. Okay, let's give this a try, I think. One moment, chat. What am I doing? Oh, okay. This won't be actual stream, will be just Laravel new. Hey, River. Thank you for saying that, for taking the time to say that you like this type of stream. Appreciate that. It's just regular work, so, you know, allows me to be a little bit more productive, though. Because when I feel that people are literally... I kind of feel that you guys are working with me, too. Feels weird, but it's literally like that. Okay, so I have this. I need to open this project now. All right, this should do it. Let's go. Oh, Lumo solved the problem with the trusting proxies. Oh, that's awesome, man. Clapping for you, man. Jesus Christ. Honestly, I think I still, to this day, I don't understand what does even mean trusted proxies. Like, I have, I just do what it comes by default, and I don't even know what is trusted proxies. I just know it's a problem, and we just try to, play with it until it works. That's it. Hey, Eden. Today we're working, and that's it. Nothing really special. Just getting some stuff done at Laravel, that's it. So this will be feed essence dev. Hey man, thank you. From Pakistan, that's awesome. I've spoke to Pakistan once on some sort of Laravel live event. Hey the king, how you doing, man? Hey Ashley, how you doing? Literally talking to you on Slack, and you here too, man. Hey Diba, one question. Does Primagen have that 7TV thing enabled? Because if Primagen have that enabled, that's a pretty strong indicative that I probably should use it. Ashley is team lead at the AI team. What he means probably, either he does have or he doesn't. There is no probably. If he has, I'm going to probably enable it straight away, okay? Yeah, past V4 was such a big release that I think will be difficult, if not impossible, to top past 4. I think will be very likely to be impossible. The king is asking, how do I become a mid-level Laravel developer from senior? Um, what do you recommend me? I think Laracast is a great choice for becoming a better developer in general. I have pretty much learned everything I knew. Everything I know was learned from Laracast, so he has probably the best teacher in the world, Jeffrey Way. Over there, you can learn about React development. You can learn about Laravel, PHP, about front end, back end, MySQL, database performance. Pretty much everything you can learn from that place. So I would advise you to go there. Okay. It's a couple bucks, but it's just worth it. All right, so this stuff is pretty much all the same. So I think I'm gonna base myself. First of all, I'm gonna change the music. That's the first one. And then I'm gonna base myself on the feed essence branch. So this will be dev feed essence. This should just work, hopefully. And it does. Nice. Alright, so now I'm gonna go to the README and actually apply some of this. So I do that, then next publish routes AI. Okay. That's done. Ooh. Okay. What's next? Fred, create your very first MCP server. Okay. Just by the way, Shed, what I'm doing now is kind of testing a package that we are planning on release. Nothing official yet, but it's very likely that we do release this. Okay, so this is a server which may have a tool. So let's create a tool. Oh yeah, just the first one. PHP is not slow, man. What is slow typically, it's everything around a web application. Things like database, external resources. PHP, it's not slow, I can tell you that. I have apps with shit tons of traffic, and I can tell you that they are not slow at all. Hey Luis, how you doing, man? By the way, Luis, are you from Portugal? I think you at some point you told me that you are from Portugal, but I cannot remember. Oh, you're from Spain, gotcha. Oh, you're using this package already? Yeah, I don't think this package is yet ready to be used, but yeah, if you are using it already and it's working, I guess that's a good sign. Okay, so I have my tool, which is right here. Description of what the tool does. So now I can just include it here. And I do have to import it though. Hey Malak, this is not like a scheduled stream, okay? I will probably be still streaming tonight. Now register everything on .ai. Let's do a local one. So that's demo server. What exactly was there before? Oh, local, okay. This can go away. This will be demo server. You can just import it. Now I start this with PHP object and npc start demo. So if I do this, it will start the MCP server. Okay, we definitely need to add some feedback here, I think. What is BTV, Diabel? Oh, thank you, Ashley. Appreciate. Thank you, thank you. Why that? Why did I wanted to start that though? Oh, because it was on the right. So maybe we don't need this then. Base path routes AI. following package was not found. Oh, nice. By the way, Shad, apologize by not speaking too much with you guys, but let's take a moment to just have a small conversation. Let's do like this a little bit. How everyone is feeling today? Is everyone having a happy day so far? So yeah, my day was kind of simple. I woke up, had like 2 meetings. Then I finished literally a task I had in progress of a new Laravel package that we are going to use internally. Then I went for food. I went to the gym, came back from the gym, and now I'm back to work. And that's it for me today. Hey, Grandmaster Sam, how you doing, man? Nice to see you. Thanks for saying hi, man. First time chat. So if you don't know me, my name is Nuno Maduro, PHP and Laravel developer. I love what I do, streaming about PHP and Laravel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Grandmaster Slime is saying that he is a UX designer. Oh, that's awesome, man. You know, a lot of people like you now with vibe coding coming a little bit to the scene will be able to just create websites by themselves, which is awesome. Welcome to the live stream, by the way. Thank you for coming. Debel is making food. That's awesome. Hey, Ferris, nice to see you. Thanks for saying hi, man. Revel is saying the following. There are JavaScript people, they argument that PHP perform a full page refresh. Dude, it's just, for example, Next.js, for example, is literally doing full page refreshes all the time, even if the HTML itself is not really, being refreshed. But if you use something like Livewire, you are literally not doing HTML refreshes. You are just communicating JSON payloads. So, yeah. Yeah, Laravel Boost is awesome, man. We are super happy with the release of Laravel Boost. Ashley did a great job on the package, and we are just lucky to have that in our ecosystem. So the package I'm working on today is something that it's not yet out, is something that potentially will be out in the next coming weeks, but it's still a work in progress, okay? Livewire is absolutely awesome, indeed. We love Livewire on the Laravel community, and we are just lucky to have Livewire with us. Next.js is using routers, so it doesn't do a full page refresh. Yeah, but it goes to the server. That's my point. You know what I mean? Also goes to the server. In PHP, we also go to the server. So I guess, So in PHP, we also have that problem, right? We click on a new page. We may load the HTML, but we still need the data from the server. So, yeah. Grandmaster Slime is saying that I'm trying to create a website for a physical therapist friend. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, there is a lot of tools today that probably can help you out with that. V0 is one of them, but also there is so many these days that you just, you just interact with those tools and they just basically spawn the website for you. What is the actual requirement to work at Laravel? No requirement. We have job careers open. So if you go to laravel.com/careers, that is literally open positions, I think. Let me check. Yeah, 2 open positions at the moment. So you just have to apply. The only condition is apply. And I can tell you that a lot of people simply do not apply, and that's the reason why they don't get hired. There is a lot of talented people out there, and they don't apply. That's why they don't get, hired. That's it. So if you think you want to work for Laravel, you should definitely apply. Yeah, I'm using Inertia currently as well on Laravel Cloud. Miguel is saying that my favorite stack is tall. That's awesome. It's an awesome stack. I love it. Hey, Cybernac, thank you for coming today. Thank you. By the way, chat, 2 things, very important things. We have a new YouTube video on the channel, okay? Literally using Next.js. So if you guys want to see how Next.js is and how it, what it takes to create a project with Next.js, that's the link. Other news on my YouTube channel, Evan Yu, the creator of Vue.js, is coming to the channel. So if you want to see things about Vite, if you want to see Vue.js, if you want to learn how those projects got created and how those projects are doing at the moment, come next Monday. Next Monday, the creator of Vue.js, Evan Yu, will be on the channel. Okay? And by the way, chat, if this live stream gets more than 200 likes, I may continue to do this kind of streams. So if you enjoy seeing me working at Laravel, just put a like on my YouTube video right now, just below, right there. Right there. Just put a like right there, and I may do more streams like this, okay? Let me know what you think. Do you guys like this kind of streams? Let me know. Let's go back to grinding. Okay, so what do I want to do? Hey Hassan, how you doing, man? Nice to see you. Welcome to the live stream. Okay. Okay, what else? So let's run this locally and let's see what exactly does give me. So it does give me a website. Oh? Interesting. Example tool does not exist. Okay, so I'm probably missing that on my demo server. Yep, I literally forgot to import it. Okay. Does this... Oh? The fuck? That's a wrong import. Did again import the incorrect import. That's weird. How about now? Oh, because I have that packaged sim linked, that's why. Okay. So this will be app. MCP tools example tool. Hello tool actually. Okay, so do I need to refresh it? Let's see. I do. Okay. How about now? I'm gonna connect, list tools. I'm gonna probably show you guys so you guys can see this too. There we go. And here we go. So, an example input description. What happens if I do this? Tool executed successfully. Okay, cool. Let's actually ask for some stuff here. So here I should have this schema situation. In this is already using the new stuff I've worked on. And the example field is required. So that's why we see example here. Okay, perfect. So if I type here, let's actually make something realistic. Let's type here Nuno Nation tool. Okay. And this needs to be renamed to Nuno Nation. Okay, Nuno Nation tool, and this tool says hi to the Nuno Nation chat. Okay, so that's done. And then this is the actual execution of the tool. So we'll return text back. Okay. Let's type here the stream says hi. And so this is the input. So this is the stuff I've worked on yesterday. So what I can do here is ask for, give me a name, for example. Yeah, let's ask for a name which needs to be minimum like 2 and maximum let's put 100, which is more than enough. The name of the person to greet. Yes, that's them. Welcome to the Nuno Nation, and then arguments. Oh, so that is what is within. Let me dump this because I want to kind of make sure that arguments is exactly what I think it is. Okay, this should be good. Okay, beautiful. Any reason why you are complaining? Yield fields missing? Oh? Oh, because I have a generator here? But this is a tool result or a generator. Okay, well, this should work though. Alright, let's see. So tools, list tools, Nation tool. No, I'm the person to greet. Let's see. Let's say hi to, who is here? Let's say hi to Diabel, which literally here all the time. All right, so D for a bell. So I run this. Welcome to the Nation DFL. Oh my god. So chat, if you're not getting what's happening here, this is literally an MCP server that will be used by AI agents. And one of the things we are literally allowing here is to create a tool. Oh my god, I love this. That was easy to do. That was easy to get started too. Yeah, this looks awesome, honestly. Okay. Well, we have an error though. Let me see why. Expected token A? Wait, what? Let me just restart this again. So this goes here, this goes there. Okay, so connect again. Tools, list tools, Nation tool. Oh, it did allow me to not provide a name. This shouldn't have happened. Because the name is required, so how the hell this even happened? So if I do this, I just DD this stuff. Kind of annoying, have to restart the server all the time. I'm gonna be honest with you, chat. Tools, list tools. So this already killed the server. Yep. Do I have any output though? I do have an output, but it's kind of an ugly one. Oh, I think the reason why we're overseeing that is because I have a dump somewhere. Here we go. That's the reason. Okay. It's actually a very good idea, John Sugar. Like literally. I think like with AI, I'm gonna be honest with you, chat. I think like with AI, what will happen in the next 2 years at least is that we are going to feel a plateau in terms of LLMs. You know, I don't think LLMs will become stronger than they are at the moment. However, you are going to see a lot of tooling in place. So people will actually start going to use MCP servers and actually start using tooling around LLMs, you know, because at the moment we just use the chat, that's it. So Andrews is saying, I love your videos. Thank you, man. Thank you, that's awesome. Hey Christine, nice to see you. Welcome to the live stream today. I'm gonna grab some food, chat. Give me a moment. That's interesting. I didn't know that Cloud Code literally is as good as it is by accident. There wasn't. I think there was a game in Sega 32 megabits that I think it was called Space Invader that basically became so fun by mistake too. So Space Invader, which is the game with the spaceships where you need to fire from the bottom. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but when you play that game, by the end of the game, it just becomes much faster moving. And the reason why it becomes much faster, it's because there is less ships on the screen, aka it's needed less memory. So that's fun. You guys should, search for. I think it's Space Invader. I think that's the game. How is the facade called? Literally forgot the name. Jesus Christ. I think it's just validation, right? No, it's... forgot the name. Jesus Christ, I'm so bad. Oh, it is validation. No, it's not. It's validator, yeah. Throws an exception, yeah, which is not what we want. Oh. Hmm. I have currently a MacBook M4 Max with 32 gigabytes of RAM, which was a mistake. If I knew, I would have gone to 128 gigabytes. That was a huge mistake. Yeah, I basically went... I don't know how to pronounce this in English. Let me see. translate this from Portuguese to English. Oh. Oh my god, it's of course. So this was my pause for food. I hit this. Well, this, to be honest. This one. Just a quick snack, you know what I mean? Oh? Oh yeah, this is wrong. So it does say is required there. Wait, what? How the heck is... Oh, because maybe it's set, but it's just not... Does not respect the minimum. It might be that. I need to find a solution for not having to restart the server all the time. That's annoying. Yep, it's there, but it's just empty. Yeah, Redberry is sponsoring the channel. They're awesome. Check them out. Redberry.international. It's kind of crazy because I bought this keyboard. A couple weeks ago, and when I started with this keyboard, I was actually super slow, and now I can just be fast with it. You know, it takes months, but now I'm just chilling with this keyboard. Wait, Stephen O'Bird is saying like live stream does not use RAM. All right, let me try to come up with you. So I have Safari, Chrome, Firefox open. So I have the 3 browsers open. I have Streamlabs, Slack, PHP Storm. I have a physical memory of 36 gigabytes of RAM, and the memory I'm using is 27 at the moment. 27. OBS is using almost 3 gigabytes. It's kind of crazy, like every single Safari tab open is almost a gigabyte. I have an idea. Don't we have... but I would have to open it. Okay, well. Alright, never mind. Okay, tool result error. Okay, this is working. Okay, maybe. So what I was thinking here is... we do something like this. Validator make. Or validator validate. And then this is the data. This is the rules, and I think like something we could do potentially is catch an exception when something is calling this handle method, and if it's a validate an exception, we just call the error, the tool error thing. Let's see if I can make that happen real quick. Actually, I can check this. Let's see. So, chat, I've basically noticed that when we are creating a tool, there is this thing for the title and this thing for the description, which is for me is like a code smell. If you have an attribute for this, but then a method for that, I'm gonna check if Ashley changed this. It did not yet. Okay. Let me try to talk with him. Use regular properties actually. What laptop do you guys have at the moment? Do you guys code with MacBooks? Which laptop do you use? Okay, let's see. John Sugar is using a Mac Mini M1. So the problem I have with Mac Minis is I am actually, public speaker, so I do need to take my laptop for conferences, and I travel a lot too, so I cannot use a fixed laptop. You have an M1 Air. Oh, that's a good one too. Okay, chat. I'm gonna clone the MCP repo because I will have to work on it. Oh, it's cloned already, so I can just do go here. And let me see what I am at the moment. Okay. Mac Studio, is that the one that is like, looks like a trash? It is. Oh no, it's not. Oh, it is. This one looks like a trash. This is the most ugly ass laptop I have ever seen in my life. It's so bad, honestly. It's a beast of a laptop, but it's just bad. MacBooks are too expensive. I feel you, man. In my opinion, that if there is things I actually just don't mind of spending money are computers, phones, in beds. You know, just if you in chairs too. So if you think a little bit, we spend like 8 hours per day on the bed. So just buy the most expensive bed you can have because you will spend there a lot of your time. Then on the laptop, you also spend minimum 8 hours a day. So you might get like the best laptop you can get because you will be looking at that laptop a lot of your time. And the chair you are on when you are working, it also needs to be a good one. And you know what I mean? But I'm like, I have a very simple life, honestly. I have a very small apartment. I have a very cheap car. You know, so I kind of save on those things to have a good laptop. Plus standing desk. That's a good one too, indeed. Tom is asking, how did I like the Rust tooling I have used Monday? Nah, it was okay. Oh yeah, my laptop, I cannot remember the price, but I think it was close to 4K. So I spent 4K on this laptop, and I regretted that I didn't went with more memory RAM. Such a noob choice, Jesus Christ. Okay, so, all right, next step, using the local MCP package so I can work on it. So what I will do here is this. So there will be one down and then just MCP. In options, I will symlink it. Thank you. We don't need this. Okay, this should actually just already pull the local package. And it did. Nice. And a good pillow. Oh yeah, a good pillow. That's, of course, we need that too. Absolutely. Okay, we have the MC package locally. So something we could do is go there. 1 second, chat. And we are there. Let's put ourselves on main. Let me try to understand why did we went with attributes. Oh my god. Okay, at least we have annotations only here. I kind of miss a little bit Linux, I'm gonna be honest. Now it's just too late to change laptops, but I miss a little bit Linux, just using it a little bit, you know? Arch is the thing. Oh yeah. Iminomachi. Oh yeah. By the way, chat, if you just arrived, my name is Nuno Maduro, PHP and Laravel developer, streaming every now and then. If you enjoy my content, go all the way down. You see this? The button subscribe on YouTube. Just click there right now. Please, 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 please. That would really help me out. Also, you see this number going up, which is a good thing. It's kind of gaming, you know? You see this number going up, I think. And if you enjoy the chat, you can also stay. Yeah. Kind of crazy that the Twitch chat, like, sometimes it's crazy. Sometimes I have like 150 people on YouTube, which is not the case today. This kind of streams, the relaxed ones, they often don't get a lot of people, but it's often what happens is that there is like 100 people on YouTube, nobody speaks. There is literally no message whatsoever. You go to Twitch, you see like 20 people, but everyone is speaking. It's just such a different shift in terms of live streaming culture. That's the only thing Twitch has good. Like, honestly, even Kick is a better platform as a web application. But Twitch, the community on Twitch is just huge. Just massive. Okay, so let's change some of this stuff. Must be an instance of annotation somewhere. Oop, here we go. So this is just used on testing, okay. Nox6 is saying that people on YouTube are always interested on learning, while people on Twitch want to speak. Yeah. I feel like, in general, live streaming is something that a lot of people don't actually know what is about, in the sense that there is so many live streamers out there. If you just connect immediately, you don't understand the live streaming culture. You will just arrive, you don't get it because it's just, maybe it's boring or whatever. But if you see, for example, some in real life live streaming, if you stay for like 30 minutes, I can tell you it feels like a movie. Because you literally know the entire story. You see them like waking up, going to the gym, and then you see them going for food or whatever, and you want to see what's next, you know? And you want to speak with those people. Live streaming culture in general, a lot of people don't really know what it's about. Yeah, the problem with Kik is there is literally no one there. That's it. There is no community there. It's a great platform though, but there is no one there. That's it. Hey Hubert, welcome back, man. Nice to see you. You went to the gym? That's awesome, man. I have not started the action pattern course yet, and I still yet to find the time. That will be a difficult one, I can tell you that. Okay, I need to try to understand where this shit is being used. And I'm wondering if this is just part of the protocol, like when you communicate with MCPs. Let me see. My fitness goals are actually good at the moment, meaning that before Laracon US, I was trying to just get fit, basically. I was losing weight. Now I'm back into the bulking, meaning that I want to get big, like real big. Hey Creed, welcome to the live stream, man. Nice to see you. System 676 laptop, those are good ones. For Linux, especially. Okay, I do need to Google something real quick. Okay, so annotations. Yep, it's literally annotations. Hi Creed, welcome to the live stream, man. Mr. Olympia. macOS sucks. Why, man? I like the software in general. It never fails. Like, you know, when I live stream or when I do a talk or anything, it just never fails. So this is literally annotations that tools use. There is read-only hint. Okay, that is also open world hint. Okay, how the hell this get translated exactly to its own value? Okay, so if I were to come here, let's actually create just a test for this. Do we have the example cool test? Yeah, this is a perfect one actually. I'm gonna just do this. This is called cool call tool test. So what I will do here is this is at methods level. I'm gonna do a playground tool test. Let's import the missing stuff. Let's just run this test. And something I want to understand is all this deal. Okay, we do resolve an instance of the class, so it's not like it needs to be static analyzed. Right. So if I were to come here and I were to type title equals to example tool, that would still work. And on top of it, I want to see what do we have within response. The actual response, right? Do we have a list tool though? I think we do, right? Can I do this? Oh, sure enough, I can't. So the name gets converted to... Gotcha. So how the hell this happens? Because that's the real question. So we resolve the tool, and that's it. So it's within the toArray thing. And that, it's as simple as that. So if I, for example, DD here, there will be an instance of the tool. So I guess that means if I go all the way down here, no, not here, on the, wait, what? Oh, I do need my pull request merged though. Do I? Maybe not, maybe not. Maybe not yet. So if I go to the toArray and I actually do this, what exactly do I have? I didn't know this about PHP. That's crazy. Oh no, there is this little magic here happening, actually converting the attribute key to the thing. Okay, so this is going away. Okay, so what we're going to do is quite simple. Is that we are going here, and we are going to do an array filter of the following. Dude, something we should do is literally live stream about Omarchi, like how to install Omarchi on your laptop and things like that, and how to get started, how to use it. Yeah, that would be a really popular stream if I were to do that. The thing is that installing Arch is not as simple as people picture. Like actually installing Arch, for example, on this MacBook is literally impossible. In an external keyboard, it's just a pain. But you know, hopefully. Yeah, Tilling Windy Manager is literally something that people are not used to. People are used to mouses and, you know, they want the cursor, basically. I'm going to actually remove these annotations, by the way. Okay? I want to use a regular property on the class. That's it. Yeah, it's like Vim, you know. Actually, using Arch is badass in the same way that if I were to use Vim, everyone would know, you know, because using Vim is badass, makes you a little bit more expert, you know? Don't you think? Like, if I were to use Vim, I would just be talking about that all the time. Because it's not the same thing as using, like, a regular editor. Vim is, like, badass, you know? Okay, so I need to think a little bit. So, one question. That's the question I have. I have one little question. So the description is not going there, right? The title email. Oh, there is a default name. That's interesting. How do I do this? The name of the tool, and let's go to the example tool and actually, not the name title. And one question I have is that if I can do this. I cannot, so that sucks balls. Almost feels like I could do if property exists and that's it. It would be so much more nice. Oh yeah, let's do that. Okay, cool. So this will be just that. This could be just this. Right, yes, 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 yes. And all this stuff could be just not there. And what could we do for discoverability is go to the tool and have this property string title, property string description, property is boolean read only. Okay, so it is 5 exactly. Okay, so this defaults to not being there, meaning that we can just remove them. Goodbye, my friend. Do I want to remove them now? Yeah, I think I want to. Okay. Now this is complaining. Oh, okay, for no reason whatsoever. Meaning that all this stuff does need to be a method, but except the description. So here I could do protected string description, and it would be right here, and it would have this for the nice discoverability. What happens if I do this out of curiosity? Oh, it still works? Okay. Let me just double check if I was working on this one. I think I was, but I want to double check. No, I was working on this one. So the description is required, so it does need to be there. Meaning that we could actually move the description . There. Well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna just throw an exception if it's not there. Man, I don't think I would be helpful if I were to help you out with an ORM for WordPress, meaning that I don't actually use WordPress, so I don't think I would be able to be helpful over there, you know? Bold destructive is missing. Thank you, dude. Let me change the music. You guys want some country? Typically, you guys like country. We could go there a little bit. Let's have some country a little bit. Country pop. You guys love that one, right? Country pop. All right, let's go. I think this stuff could just be false by default. It would be a little bit, yeah, could just be false by default. I don't know. Need to think a little bit. So you said destructive is missing. Oh, because it is. 2, 3, 4. Yep. All right, cool. So that's done. The tool.stub will come with a description. Using Eloquent in WordPress, it does sound crazy though. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Okay, it honestly looks like Laravel commands almost, so I like it. Tool title, tool description, and bam, bam, boom. Kind of beautiful. We don't need this. Okay, so that's done. I feel I'm going to use a base description at this level because it's a required one. Should I? Maybe not. Okay. Okay, now we go to the annotations deal. And we do the following. We do return array filter. So I want to filter the title, the description, yeah, all this stuff, all this crap. That's a good one. And then we remap them. Do I need to array map them? I think I do, yes. Yes, so let's do array map. Write the function. Do this. It will be inside. And we need an array map with key. Do we have something like that on PHP? Well, actually I can use collections, now that I'm thinking. Fuck yeah, let's use collections. Let's collect all this crap. And let's actually do something a little bit better, which is I'm going to collect the title, the description, the destructive int, not destructive int, just destructive, read-only, idempotent, and open world, yes. And then we are going to filter by property exist. Exactly. And if the property exists, we do map with keys. Perfect. We need that ugly ass match. I think we can do it actually. We can do this. So this is destructive int, idempotent int, open world int, read-only int, so everything is int except the description and the title. Alright, cool. And then we have this will be the annotation, but what we really need is the property. Exactly. So if the property exists on the current object, then we move forward. The next step is map with keys. So we grab the annotation again, we have the property, and what we do is just that. Beautiful. Is everyone having a good afternoon, chat? Hope you guys are having a fun day today. What time is it? It's 8 p.m. Jeez fucking Christ. Alright, I need to finish this. So all this stuff can go away. We don't need any of this crap. How about now? Multiple access modifiers are not allowed. Thank you. So why is the name also... Yeah, because that's a fixed thing. Here we go. 1,000 times better. So the example 2 does have a title in the string, yeah. This is test suite, we don't even care. Okay, so this can go away, this can go away, this can be deleted, and I think the final step is just fix the test suite, because now everything will just be broken. This is working beautifully, and also like if I go here, and if I do protected bool read only, this will appear over there. Or I thought it would. Why it's not there? Oh, because it's not here. It's on the example tool. So if I do this, it will just appear. Here we go. And if I do open world, it will just appear there too. Here we go. And if I do destructive, I'm seriously considering doing... No, should I do that? I don't even know. No, let's keep it stupidly simple for now. Yeah, I know. For the auto completion, I know, dude. I was thinking about that. So something I can do is, instead of having all this shit all the way top, I could, in theory, I could do this. Just kind of enforcing a title. If it's not there, I will just not include it. Yeah, I will do that. Tool is title. So description, yeah. Okay, do I have every single one? I think I did, right? Open world is the final one. Okay, I will do this, and I think what I will do is remove them from here, and then on the annotations deal, I will just not include the ones that are empty or false, and that should do it. So here, once we have them all, what we can do is filter by so I want to filter the value, and I'm going to reject, which is a little bit easier. I'm going to reject the values that are either empty or equal to false. Okay, let's see if it works. So if I'm an example tool, and if I don't provide any of this, I don't have annotations. Perfect. If I have read-only true, it will be there. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, it's just working, man. All right, done. This is good. Next step is literally fixing the entire test suite, which now should be just failing. Just stack the destructive. Do we have anyone out? I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All of them here, except one. One is not there. Like, what the fuck? Ooh. Read only, it's there. Let me just rearrange this so it gets the same thing. I can actually put this by order. Let's do this. On the tool itself, I mean. Yeah, destructive read-only. So read-only going to the end. And open world into the end. Okay, one of them is not working. Which one of them? Each one of them it is. So read-only, idempotendian, open world is the destructive one. Okay, so why are you not there? That's the real question. Huh? Oh, did I set it as false? I did. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Here we go. All right, it's working good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So that's beautiful. So I guess the next step is literally just fixing the entire test suite. And of course, everything will just fail because every single one of these is using the old API. Yeah, I had false. Thank you, Kristen, for saying that. Thank you. All right, let's continue. Next step, fix test suite. Let's run this with bail, so it fails on the first mistake. Oh, because my example tool now is just much more different than it was before. So that's why it's failing. So what we can do here is just revert whatever we had here. Let me open here DWI real quick. Add the MCP project. And revert what I have done on the playground, on the example tool in playground. And description. Yep. Okay, let's go again. Okay, one test failing. And the reason is because this tool is probably using the old API. So we should have like a bunch of things like this. Yeah, we do. Oh, there is more? Jesus. Did I miss a description? I did not. Okay. Hey Jeremy, welcome to the live stream. First time chat, so in case you don't know me, my name is Nuno Maduro, PHP and Laravel developer. I love what I do, streaming every now and then. So subscribe to my Twitch channel if you enjoy the content. And today I'm literally just streaming what I'm doing during the day. And today, you know, I'm working on this MCP package. Short story, basically at Laravel, we are, you know, I'm now part of the AI team. And one of the things we want to have potentially with the Laravel ecosystem is MCP servers, which is something that potentially is coming out. It's not sure yet, but if yes, this will be a big part of that, okay? Welcome to the live stream, man. Nice to have you. By the way, chat, if you want to see more of streams like this, do not forget, go all the way down and subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate that. So this is now this. Oh, description stays at top level? Okay, didn't know that. I thought description would be an annotation. Oh, wait a second. Okay, I have fucked up. Description goes away from here. And... Oh, yeah, this needs to be protected. Shrink. Ooh, 82 already, nice. And we'll no longer need this crap, because it's literally doing nothing. So all this stuff goes away. This is called... Yeah, this can stay, but this can stay too. Or we can just refactor this, I guess. Yeah, kind of. Do we need this? Yeah, let's just do it real quick. Do we need... I don't think we need this even. These chests are not being used anymore. Well, this one is useful, but the rest of it... Yeah, this we don't need. This one is not expected to fail, though. Oh yeah, we no longer just send falses because it's a default value. Here we go! Beautiful. Oh, thank you, DFL, for writing this. The repo is public, but it's not yet meant to be used publicly. That's it. so feet don't use annotations. So all annotations are gone, right? Let me just confirm. Yes, annotations. Well, there is annotations, but not in the way we think there is. And the entire readme needs to be changed. All right, so how many files we have changed? A bunch of them, including this stuff. This can go away. Remember this. Oh, PHP 7 may be failing. Stub is broken? Why? The title was used? Oh, before? Okay. Well, here we go. What is the title for, though? Oh, there was literally a title like this? Okay. Thank you, Adrian. I'm gonna check real quick. So, oh yeah, the title was used. Thank you, Adrian. You're awesome, man. So this will be the title. Thank you, man. Oh, PHP is not complaining about anything. All right, there will be a. I'm gonna call it a day. Okay, so next step, git checkout -b feed uses properties instead. So uses properties instead of annotations. So let me put here an example of how exactly a tool looks like. So a tool will look exactly. Well, to be honest, we can move to the MCP demo and see it, right? Let's do that. So I'm going to just change projects real quick. By the way, chat, if you just arrived, do not forget, go all the way down and subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate that, all right? All right, let's type composer dump. Done. And now, so this, for example, could be, let's just recap this. Let's type here hello tool, hello world tool. So this goes away. This is now a protected string title, hello world tool. This is a description. Greets the world, or greets. Let's just rename this to hello. Hello chat tool. Okay, so this goes to a protected property too. This goes away too. This we are going to check tomorrow. And this is how exactly it feels. This goes away, and this goes away. Beautiful. I'm gonna send this to the team real quick. Let's copy this, put it here. I'm gonna pull requested on draft because I kind of want to double check it tomorrow a little bit better.
Like a tidal wave, a hurricane, like a thunderstorm, the pouring rain, it comes rolling in, and right away, oh, it hits you like a ton of lead. Oh yeah, it'll mess with your head. You won't know where to begin. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. It pulls you in, it takes over, you just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you. For someone else, but not for you. Still you pray that it'll stay and hit you harder, don't go away. Hit you deeper, running through your veins for one more day. Stop like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. Pulls you in, it takes over, you just can't let go of the worst, best thing well that's ever happened to you.
Sorry, chat. I was just discussing with the team a little bit how exactly this handle method will be used by people. Because honestly, we feel like, I was just discussing with Ashley, I feel like, for example, here, what would be really nice is being able to do something like this. So receive a request, for example. Let me just change the music real quick. 1 second. I was just discussing with Ashley, and we really think like here would be kind of cool to have a request where the user could just, access in an object-oriented way, but also at the same time could just method injection here, and this could be potentially what the user wants to. And here we would just return a string instead of the text result. There's so many wins here we could do. Hey, Hubert, thank you, man. Catch you tomorrow, man. Bye. Hey, Coder. Basically, I'm working on this MCP package at Laravel, so you could do MCP servers on real Laravel apps. I'm working on this project with Ashley at the moment, and that's why sometimes you guys see me just typing on the keyboard, because I'm just literally having a chat with Ashley, and that's it. So building a package at Laravel, that's it. It's still super internal. We don't have a release date yet, but it's, today was mostly about getting familiar with the package, because there is a lot of things here which I simply don't know how they are coded, but also at the same time I just don't know the features, And just looking at this, I kind of know what is a tool, but the other things I kind of need to get familiar with them, Adrian did a suggestion on the draft pull request. Oh my god. What did you do, dude? Oh my god. Huh? Oh, you did the let me see. So you did the other way around. You put it like the annotation as a key instead of as value. Okay. And then before filtering, you already map them. The thing is that this property here, if the property is simply not there, how this will even work? This is an internal project, Adrian. This is an internal project. Like, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? It is there. I mean, no, not really, because the property may not actually be there. It's not. Like, ed put. Oh, it is? Oh, it is. It actually is. Yeah, I could potentially do that, Adrian, but I was just thinking about if I want to be a little bit more explicit with the actual value, because if it's empty or it's not false, for example, it's kind of different from this filter, which also I think includes zeros and crap like that. You know what I mean? But I don't know. I will probably check more tomorrow. Thank you for doing that review, though. I will check that tomorrow. Okay. All right. So, what did I do today? Let's go here and just type it. All right. So, I started the day with a meeting with Brent from JetBrains about future projects. That was the first thing I did. Then a meeting with Ashley to clarify goals of the next few days. Then, what else did we do? Moved Essence to illuminate JSON schema. and PR'd it to the framework. Work it on getting familiar with the MCP package and its structure. Started to work on reviewing the API and rearranging it. Okay, this is what I did today, chat. So in case you don't know, within the AI team, me and Ashley, we have this channel where we post beeps. Beeps is basically saying, like, what did you work today? And that's it. Kind of a way of checking a little bit what people are up to. Even though we are just 2 guys at the moment, I think it's still cool. Wait. I was just checking. Oh my god, 1 second. And that's it? I thought you created 2 packages a day. What do you mean, pick and flow? I wish I could do that, man. Honestly, a lot of the things you guys don't see is just grinding, man. It's moving slow, grinding, and that's it. It's 2 guys, but we are crazy productive together, man. So it's okay. There was a golden day. Indeed, man. Thank you, Fabri. Thank you, thank you. All right, chat. Is 2:30. Should we do tomorrow? Yeah, I think tomorrow, chat, we either are going to do a day like this or just do a day just exploring something new, Next.js or whatever. I was trying to understand if I can do a stream like this and then keep doing the stream with something else, but I don't think it will work. Meaning that I've been streaming for what, 4 hours at the moment, I think? Yeah, I think it was 4 hours already, which is insane. So I don't think I'm able to keep this pace and just keep doing another stream on top of this. 3 hours? Okay. Yeah, I don't think I could potentially do another stream now on just working on something like Next.js or just doing a React, just something. So what I think I will do is potentially tomorrow just stream at night and that's it. Now dinner time and then gaming time. Absolutely. All right, Shad. I think that's it for me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, okay? I'm going to rate someone on Twitch. It's 8:37. It's crazy. The day flew. Okay, who do we have online? 48 people on Twitch. You guys are awesome, man. It's crazy. So we have Maya as usual. I'm going to stop rating Maya. I'm rating Maya all the time. Who can I rate also? Mm-hmm. Dude, you need to explain me what is the emotes deal. I still don't understand. What is the emotes deal, chat? Like, literally. Okay, we have someone doing AngularJS. You guys are super into AngularJS. I feel it. You guys want to do some AngularJS? I think you guys want to do that. Yes. But what is emojis? Okay, that's it. I'm going to check what is that deal. I'm just tired of it. What is that? 7tv.app. What is this? The emoji platform for all. Downloaded 100%, 1,000 emote slots. Oh, really? So one question, if I upload an emote, are you guys able to see it? Like everyone is able to see that emote without even having an extension or whatever? Dude, I have a very short it's very difficult to explain me stuff. When I don't get into something, it's very difficult to explain me stuff. Only with extension, so that's a no already. Like what happens if you type an emote, for example, but the other dude doesn't have that. All people have it. I don't have it. I didn't know there was this. It shows a text. Okay. Like all people have it. No, it's simply not true. Like I don't have that. All right, YouTube, Twitch, Kick, and Twitter. That's it from me today. I love you guys a bunch. Don't forget, new video is coming out from my YouTube channel probably Friday or next Monday. I need to check it out. That being said, I love you all. Catch you guys tomorrow, and peace out.